Hey friends, Jeff here with RV Optimizer, and I want to show you this cool, I guess, camping trailer that I've found here, and I want Joe to tell us a little bit about it. So Joe, why is this so unique and cool?
Well, it's a hard-sided foldable trailer. The benefits is it's easy to tow. It's a lightweight. It's 3,000 pounds. You can tow it with a medium-sized SUV. It'll fold. This particular one is 27 feet open, but it folds down to 18 feet closed with the swing-away hitch that it's got, so you can fit it in your garage. So if you've got an HOA, you don't want to pay storage, things like that, you could park this in your garage. Or if you just don't want to buy a big pickup or a big SUV, you can tow this very easily. It's like a pop-up that it folds down, but it's also hard-sided, and it's much more room than a pop-up. Most of our customers come out of pop-ups to a TrailManor. The lifting system, there's no motors, there's no gearing. It's a torsion bar system, and so I'll show you how it opens up. You can start this once you've got it level. Not exaggerating, it's 5 minutes to set it up, start to finish.
Let's do it.
So the first part is you release the pressure with these clips. There's one on each side. And if you'll notice, when I release the pressure, it's going to want to pop up a little bit on its own. So it takes about 30 pounds of pressure, and what I'm doing is I'm not lifting it, I'm more pulling it towards me. And you lock it in place. There's one of these on either side. And like a pop-up, it's got a bed, but you don't have to set up the bar. So you just literally just grab the bed, slide the bed in place. This is a full-size queen and a regular size full-size bed. So same thing, I'm going to release the pressure on each side for the second part. My partner's going to release that one. Okay? So same thing, I'm just pulling it out. I'm going to lock it in place. Then I'm going to pull out the bed. And that's probably 80% of it.
Let's lead the way again.
Next, the door. Lock your door in place here. Same thing on this side. You lock the door in place and set the latch. On the inside, we're going to raise this cabinet up. This is your bathroom. Lock that into place. Open this up. You've got 3 latches to latch here. One here, one on the inside there, and then one here. And then you've got a small but full-size bathroom, full shower, regular commode with a flat gray tank, so it's not like a set toilet or anything like that. When you set up the cabinets here, you just hang them on these French cleats. There we go.
There you go.
And it's got another cabinet right here. Same thing. That's all right. We got the cabinet up. You've got your dinette cushions. Your dinette folds out. This is a separate drawer you can set over there if you want it. That's an optional thing. And then for the flip these down all the way around. You can lock your bed into place with those pins, and it's fully complete and set up.
Wow, that's pretty darn cool. So how much does it weigh and how much does it cost?
It weighs, depending on the model, anywhere from 2,600 to a little under 3,100 pounds.
Okay. So you can pull just about anything.
Yes. I pulled it myself. I live in Texas. Pulled it through a West Texas windstorm on the way to get here. Pulls great. Price range, you're going to see these on dealer lots anywhere between the low to mid 30s to the mid to maybe upper 40s. We make them from a 25 foot to a 31 foot open. This is a 27. With the swing away hitch, it folds down to 18 feet.
Nice. And MSRP?
MSRP is about 10,000 more than the numbers I talked about. So probably mid 40s to mid 50s.
Got it.
And dealers are discounting them pretty well. So we don't really have an issue with that.
About 10 grand. Awesome.
Yeah.
So if people had questions, want to learn more about it, where would they go?
You can go to Trail Manor RV. If you look on the Trail Manor website where it has phone numbers for sales, that rings to my cell phone number. Also has a list of our dealers in the area. Destination RV is our dealer. We've got probably 20 dealers across the U.S. We're working on getting more, but we've got about 20 dealers in the U.S. These are made in South Dakota. We don't outsource even our frames. We buy our appliances and things like that, but this is built on a Mennonite community called the Hutterites. They build it on site in South Dakota.
And what kind of warranty comes with it?
Comes with a 2-year warranty, and the lifting mechanism has a lifetime warranty because there's no moving parts. It's a torsion bar.
Got it.
The only real adjustment is every now and then you just need to adjust the torsion bar, and there's just 4 bolts underneath. You just tighten.
Very nice. Awesome. Well, Joe, thanks for taking us through this and showing us. I think it's kind of unique. I haven't seen many, if any, like this, right? Are you guys fairly one of the few in this space?
We're the only one that does this.
Yeah.
We've done it since 1983, so 43 years almost. But yeah, we're the only ones still doing it. The original design hasn't changed.
Nice. Well, thanks for taking this through. I'm going to shoot the back here real quick to get the back bed. All right, friends, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope all your trips are optimized.